In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your phone number on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook, then go to menu, tap Add Gear to open up Settings, and then tap somewhere here to go to Meta Account Center. After that, tap Add Personal Details, Contact Info, and that's where you can find all of your emails and phone numbers. As you can see, I got a phone number here, and if we would like to change it, the easiest way is to first off add new phone number and then remove current one. To add new phone number, tap right here, add mobile number. After that, enter your mobile number here. Then select your Facebook account and then hit Add Next. It will send a confirmation code to your phone number. Just enter that code here and then tap Add New Contact, and then your new phone number will be added to that list. As you can see, now it says pending confirmation. That's because there is not my number. There are some random digits here just to demonstrate you how it works. So if you have already added new number, then you can remove old one. To do that, tap Add Old Number and then tap right here. After that, your old number will be removed. That's how you can easily change your phone number on Facebook.